Okay, so this is the chat bot that we have, and what it's going to do is so you click to get started, and then it'll send this stuff out. So thanks for reaching out, uh, you know, and this is a gaming name that I have, Death Vapor, so disregard that. Thanks for reaching out to us. I'm the Nelson Media virtual assistant. What can I help you with? And as you pick these things. Like, so I picked first time our services. So then it automatically sends out our services are this to set up a free consultation. Do this. So I hit, instead I went back and hit get a quote. Interested in a quote? No problem. I need to ask you a few questions. Okay. Sound okay. And then I hit great. What are your goals? And then, you hit this, and then it goes, it basically walks you through the process and gets them to, fill everything out. So that way, they feel like they've been addressed right away. And then on top of it, you're getting, and I got the information to my phone that, and then also the contact, do you want to use Messenger or do you want to call? So and this is just the basic bot that we have. So there's a couple things. We have bots for, plumbers and real estate agents and we're getting a custom made bot for people that do photography and Matterport and all that stuff. So what this does is on your website and on Facebook, you're getting it to where it's routing them into giving up their information, and it's easy. Like here it says email. It pulls this email out and says you want to use this or another one. So it makes it very effortless for them to use you guys. So we're developing the bots now. We should have them done in the next week, and hopefully it will it'll help. I'll be giving you updates as things progress. So if you want a basic bot, because you're a client of ours, we'll cut you a deal. And so it's one of those things. Sorry. Okay, so this is one of my people, one of my teammates working on going to the site that I have it on, and then the chat bot will pop up right there. Click on that, and now he's already talked using this, so he's going to do some advanced things. But the interaction and the engagement is limitless. We can custom tailor it for you, so that way you're getting stuff. He's putting in information here, and it's a great thing. And if you're interested, let us know, and we'll do what we can to give you the best bang for the buck.